Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to accept payments on your Wix website, totally for free, using the Wix PayPal button. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a secure and professional way to collect payments, but you'll also be able to do it without any upfront costs, perfect for anyone starting out or running a small business. So, let's dive right in and get your site ready to accept payments. Alright, first, make sure you're logged into your Wix website editor. This is your main dashboard for customizing how your site looks and functions. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to look around and make sure you're on the page where you want your PayPal button to appear. Maybe it's your main homepage, a dedicated payment page, or even right under a product listing. So choose what makes the most sense for your customers. Next up, let's add the actual payment element. You'll want to look for the Add Elements tab, usually sitting on the left-hand or top menu bar. Click that, and you'll get a whole host of options: text, images, galleries, buttons, and more. For accepting payments, head straight to the Button option. This tells Wix you want to add something people can click to interact with, like making a purchase or donation. From here, scroll down until you find the PayPal button. Wix makes this super straightforward. Look for the bright PayPal logo or the option labeled PayPal. Go ahead and click to select it. Now, just hit Add to Site. Wix will prompt you to agree to the terms and conditions associated with PayPal payments on the platform. This is all standard stuff, just confirming that you understand someone will be sending funds to your PayPal account, so click Agree and Add. The button will drop right onto your page, but we're not quite done yet. Let's get it set up so payments actually go to you. Click on the PayPal button you've just added and look for the Settings or Connect option. This is where you'll input your PayPal email address, the account where you want the money sent. Take your time here and double-check your email. If you type in the wrong email, funds won't reach you, so it's worth making sure every character is spot on. At this point, Wix will ask if you want to modify any other settings. Maybe you want to adjust the currency, set a fixed price, or allow the customer to enter their own amount, or even customize how the button looks so it matches your site. If you're unsure, start simple. You can always come back and tweak things later. For instance, if you're a band selling merch, maybe set a fixed item price. If you're collecting donations, allow users to input whatever they feel comfortable giving. These little options can make a huge difference for the experience you create. And honestly, that's it. You now have a functional PayPal button right on your Wix website, ready for payments and donations. The entire process probably only took you a few minutes, but you've just given your visitors a safe, trusted method to pay you, right on your site. If you want to test things out, try sending a small payment to yourself using a different PayPal account, just to make sure everything works as expected. And remember, you can always move the button around, edit settings, or even add multiple payment options as your business grows. So, I hope this walkthrough helped you feel confident adding PayPal payments to your Wix site for free. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest tutorials. See you next time!